Now, the decision of the Karnataka governor to sanction prosecution of the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, in the Muda case has sparked a massive political slugfest in Karnataka. On Saturday, the governor gave his sanction after he received petitions from 3 anti-corruption activists. The prosecution sanction under sections of the Prevention of Corruption Act and the new criminal laws of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita have in fact been granted by the governor. Naturally, the Congress has called this a conspiracy on the part of the BJP to destabilize a popularly elected government in the state of Karnataka. It's also said that the party is getting desperate to get back to power. This is the accusation they're leveling against the BJP after they had been rejected by the people in the elections held in May last year. The Congress is also set to stage protests across the state today over this matter. The Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, also confirmed that the Congress party will be launching a political battle, but also a legal battle in this matter, and the entire party and the government stands with the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah.
The entire party and the government will stand by my Chief Minister. He has not done anything wrong. It is a political motivated issue which has been done. So we are going to agitate, we are going to the law, we are going to the courts, we will take all legal remedies. At the same time, the entire state, our party cadres will start functioning. We will oppose the stand of the governor and will stand by my Chief Minister.
Now, the Congress has been holding statewide protests as well. There's a showdown that's brewing over the Muda scam. The BJP has also staged a protest outside the Vidhan Soda, the Legislative Assembly in Bengaluru. I'm joined currently by Deepak Bopanna as well as Imran, who are reporting on this very critical matter in Karnataka. Going across to Deepak first and foremost. Deepak, the Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, in the dock, but he's decided to fight back. He's approached the Karnataka High Court as well, and the entire Congress party in the state is rallying behind him.
Yes, Siddharth, as far as the BJP is concerned, they continue to up the ante here. You can see multiple leaders from the state, and also, of course, BJP MLAs, MPs, and even the JDS is participating in this protest. The demand is quite simple. They're saying that the protest will only intensify if the resignation doesn't come by. They're saying that this is an investigation against the Chief Minister, and if he is going to be the head of the organizations investigating, it won't be a fair probe. Mr. C.T. Ravi, BJP MLC with us today. आप बता सकते हैं कि फिलहाल उन्होंने ऑलरेडी कोर्ट मूव किया है. आफ्टरनून में वो मैटर आने वाला है, और पिटीशन में भी उन्होंने क्लियरली बताया कि ये अटेम्प्ट है डिस्टेबलाइज करने का सरकार का बीजेपी की तरफ से.
पहले हम डिस्टेबलाइज करने के लिए कोशिश नहीं कर रहा है. हम केवल भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है. भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप किसके ऊपर है? कांग्रेस जी उनके ऊपर है. वो लोग वाल्मीकि डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड में 187 करोड़ लूट लिया है. वो लोग मूडा में स्कैम किया है. मूडा चेयरमैन उन्होंने लेटर लिखा है, हजारों करोड़ को भ्रष्टाचार हुआ है, ऐसा लेटर उन्होंने लिखा है.
लेकिन चीफ मिनिस्टर बताते रहते हैं कि ये बीजेपी के टाइम पे एलोकेशन हुआ है, तो उनका क्या इन्वॉल्वमेंट है? फेयरली उनको लैंड दिया गया था, जो 50-50 स्कीम है, और उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है इसमें.
उन्हें आधा सच बोल रहा है, पूरा सच उन्हें नहीं बोल रहा है, केवल आधा सच बोल रहा है. उसके लिए गवर्नर जी ने प्रोसिक्यूशन को दिया है, सैंक्शन दिया है. किसके लिए? इंक्वायरी सही तरीका से होना, निष्पक्षपात होना, न्याययुत होने के बाद सच बाहर आना. उसमें गलती क्या है? उन्हें जजमेंट नहीं दिया. आज कांग्रेसियों ने प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है दलित राज्यपालों के खिलाफ. क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है? उनको निंदा कर रहा है, उनका पुतला जलाया दिया है. क्यों?
और मैंगलोर में एक प्राइवेट बस पे स्टोन पेल्टिंग की भी इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है. इस तरह की प्रोटेस्ट के बारे में आपका क्या राय है?
खुद सरकार उसको भ्रष्टाचार छुपाने के लिए, हंगामा करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है. एमएलसी डिसोजा ने कहा बांग्ला के जैसे भारत में भी होगा. उसका मतलब वो लोग अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कुछ करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है, अनडेमोक्रेटिक ऐसे कुछ करने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है।
C.T. Ravi ji, धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए. Meanwhile, let me just show you some of the pictures here. Multiple placards being held by some of the BJP leaders who've gathered here. BJP party president, Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra, leader of the opposition, R. Ashok. You also have the leader of the opposition from the Legislative Council. All of them who are right now speaking here, addressing the gathering in this protest, they say will not stop. It is only going to intensify. They are demanding a resignation of the Chief Minister. Meanwhile, of course, the Congress holding a parallel protest. Very at the Freedom Park.
All right, in fact, let's go across to Freedom Park as well, and that's where Imran is joining us from. Imran, take us through the scenes of what's happening currently in Freedom Park as well. The Congress party holding its ground and deciding to, in fact, rally behind Siddaramaiah.
Well, absolutely. The Congress is not going to let go this down so easily. In fact, across the states, the protests have been called. Here too at Freedom Park in Bengaluru, that the ministers are giving, congregated here to give a combined message that the Congress is standing behind unitedly with the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. In fact, D.K. Shivakumar and his supporters have also come here to try to give a united message that despite the differences within the party over this issue, they are standing united against the BJP. Even as the BJP is protesting, demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister from the dais here, the ministers one after another are targeting the governor, saying that the governor is acting partially and behaving like an agent of the BJP and of the central government. In fact, they say that they will continue to the protests and continue thwart the attempts of the BJP. They accuse saying that the BJP's entire effort is to dislodge the non-BJP government in the Congress government in the state, and they say that they're using governor, apart from using CBI and ED, now they're using governor as a tool to bring down the government in the state. That's the accusation by the Congress leaders here. As you can see in the entire Freedom Park, the Congress workers are here protesting against the governor in several places. We've seen tires also being burnt and governor's effigies being burnt at various places. They also sent a memorandum to the president to cancel the sanction for prosecution given by the governor and to rein in on governor is what the petitions which has been sent to the president here across the districts of Karnataka by the Congress workers.
Right, so Deepak as well as Imran. So Deepak reporting from Vidhan Soda, where the BJP has been holding protests demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah. Imran, of course, has been joining us from Freedom Park, where the Congress party has decided to hold a counter-protest. Now, leaders from the Congress across the country have come out in support of Mr. Siddaramaiah and have claimed that the Bharatiya Janata Party has begun misusing the office of the governor, much like it has misused agencies to topple governments led by opposition parties.
जब से ये भारत सरकार बीजेपी की सरकार आई है, जितने भी गवर्नर्स बनाए गए वो सारे आरएसएस के लोग हैं। वो संविधान की सुरक्षा करने के बजाय आरएसएस और बीजेपी के मैनिफेस्टो पर अमल करते हैं। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं को खुश करने में लगे रहते हैं। कोई गवर्नर ऐसा नहीं है, चाहे केरल का गवर्नर हो, कर्नाटक गवर्नर हो, बंगाल गवर्नर हो, वो सब विपक्ष की सरकारों को चलने देना नहीं चाहते। कर्नाटका में जो कुछ हो रहा है ये इसकी एक मिसाल है और निश्चित तौर से ये गवर्नर इसी तरह बिहेव कर रहे हैं जैसे वो राष्ट्रीय सेवक संघ के मेंबर हैं।
Now, other constituents of the India bloc have also voiced their concerns over the sanction for prosecution that's been granted by the Karnataka governor in this matter, and they've claimed that the BJP is no longer interested in fighting their opponents politically.
ये उनका निर्णय नहीं है ना भाई। यहाँ जो सत्ता शीर्ष पे बैठे हुए लोग हैं, खास करके एक दो लोग, उन्होंने ये तय कर लिया है कि पॉलिटिकल लड़ाई पॉलिटिकल तरीके से, पॉलिटिकल सलीके से, पॉलिटिकल मिजाज के साथ नहीं लड़ी जाएगी। सत्ता तो बदलेगी आज या कल या परसों, लेकिन जिस तरह से आपने ये तय कर लिया है कि उलझा के रखो, कभी इस माध्यम से, कभी उस माध्यम से, कभी गवर्नर के माध्यम से, कभी ईडी, आईटी, सीबीआई के माध्यम से, ये आपके लिए भी उचित नहीं होगा।
The Bharatiya Janata Party has come back with a sharp rebuttal to the opposition's attacks. The BJP believes the Congress is trying to defend corruption and that law will take its own course. The BJP is also set to stage protests today across the state over this matter.
In 2011, Yediyurappa incidents also, that time Central Congress, the governor also, Bharadwaj, so now nominated by the Congress High Command, Congress government. So that time also they given permission to the prosecution for the Yediyurappa. But our party that time, they given advice to the CM Yediyurappa to resign. That is the BJP stand. So in this episode, in Karnataka, the Congress party is supporting Siddaramaiah for the corruption case.